What's going on, everybody? This is your girl Ayanna here, and we are on the road. Well, not so much the road, but we be in the skies, okay? So I have just touched down in Montreal, my hometown. Y'all already know, and I'm super excited. I get to be here for 2 nights. You know I'm about to get it, right? Girl has some family out here and all that good stuff, so I'm just waiting for my cousin to come and get me. We're about to hit the road and see what we can get into. And by the way, it's Canada Day, so that's a big deal. So maybe some fireworks and all that good stuff. I hope to see some. You guys don't know, I've never been to Montreal, or fellow Montrealers who are watching, you guys know that the food out here is good, right? I have like a set list I have to get. Number 1, poutine. Number 2, hot dogs from La Belle Province. I have to get Orange Julius, down to even pizza at certain spots. But it is just so good. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to get everything, but I'm gonna try some home cooked meals. Yes, of course. But I kind of gotta try some of these things. So hopefully tonight I get some poutine and my Orange Julius. And yeah, so we gonna get it. Y'all gonna see. Okay, and just a quick little outfit for the afternoon. So it's got this little Aztec print little dress going on, some sandals, and some gold accessories and whatnot. And that's it. Y'all already know. Beautiful cousin.
Hey.
Shanae, say what up to the people.
What's
so
up?
where are we going right now? We're trying to go
to the Canada Day parade.
Yeah, with our red cups in hand. Really? Ain't she sweet though? Y'all can tag her. What's your IG? What's your Twitter? Tell the people.
Shinky_SHINKY_.
So let's go check out this parade right quick, okay? Party done. What happened? Please come out. Everything. Lock off the party. Floats are gone. We missed everything. I'm sad.
Too bad.
We still got the red cups though. We gonna chase our next party.
Crazy?
We're about to make Obviously, someone does not have work in the morning.
For me, it's tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Kira. Look at that booty though. Walking with the fam. June. One girl. Dance, girl. Oh my gosh, it's so packed. Oh my gosh, the French accent, tout le temps. Oh no, so hold on. So you don't like how you sound though?
Hell no.
Her brother Drew. What do you think? What are you hiding? I'm dying.
You don't know what the fuck I am.
Jeep in the making. Do you guys see that?
Bang down. We live in the West Side. Didn't get to record that much out there because it was mad dark out there. Anybody can't see anybody out there, so yeah. But anyhow, so I'm about to shower and rest up because I got to get up in the morning and go to work. Did not get to eat or drink any of my stuff from my list, so we're going to get on that tomorrow though. It's a must. So good night. What's going on, everybody? It is day 2 in Montreal. Chilling at the hotel. Had a super long day. I don't know how I'm even standing, and I'm somewhat looking alive. Today was mad long. But anyhow, I'm waiting for my 3 cousins to come over. Shanae, Drew, and Quentin. They're gonna come over. It is hot as I don't know what out here in Montreal, but it's nice. I love it. I love the heat. So they're coming over, and we're gonna go to the pool in the hotel. Even though it'd be kind of cool if it was outdoors, so you can actually have the heat and the coolness of the pool. But when they come, I want to step outside, warm up real quick, and then hop in the pool. I know that sounds stupid, right? But anyhow, can't wait for them to get here. I'm ready to go. Bathing suit on, cover up on. Let's go. After that, we are for sure getting orange julep. We didn't get to get it last night, so it's mad late. Today, we bought that orange julep, and we bought that poutine life, okay? I cannot wait. Your girl be hungry. Girl be hungry. Girl be hungry. You're about to be here soon. I'm obviously excited if you guys couldn't tell. Black people. We all want the gum though. Standing outside trying to get warmed up for going to the pool. Why is it blurry? Pool time. Swimming time. Quentin, ooh, body, ooh. Test out the water, jump in. Pool time's over. Sauna killed us, didn't it, Drew? Didn't it, though? Look at these brothers and sisters nitpicking all day long. Always, always. We be going. Yeah, orange julep. Oh, and that poutine, though. Oh, poutine or poutine. Poutine. Yeah, put that accent on that.
Julep time, orange julep time, orange julep time.
Like Mike telling feedback, the realest nigga out my city and a maniac. I ain't feeling like the man when I'm up to. Can't stand what you saying when I'm up to. How the all these hoes stand when I'm up to. How to make a few bands on the way. Watch me, watch me, hey, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, hey, watch me, watch me.
We made it to the biggest orange of all time. We ready? Oh, I ain't got no chill though. Wow. Canadian top be blending in though. What she said? Orange julep. So excited. Watch the line though. Orange. What to get though? What? I'm just like, what? 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 Bitch, what? What? Can you explain this again, please? Do it. Show the curve.
First you go like this, okay? Put your hand out like that and curve it and stick out your neck like that. So it's like,
Can we get a side profile though? Can we get a side profile of this? Now do it fully though. Now all together now. Done. The best $12 I ever spent. Oh, that put in the, oh god, I can't. And then the hot dog, and then the orange julep juice.
Mais non, il faut dire en français, c'est le poutine.
Mais non, là, soyez là, là.
Comme les quantités des fois.
eh ben là.
Oh,
First, yeah. See, man.
wow, that was real French.
This is an everyday thing. Well, once a week thing for me.
Once a week? Man, you spoiled. Spoiled. The first sip I cut.
Has ever, it's rented.
Oh, rental. We came through the... Belly's full though. You doesn't understand my belly though. Everything's done. How was your food though?
What?
How was your food?
It was so good. It was so good. I have this like once a week.
Once a week, eh? Rotten greedy. So this one finishes it. No, this one has it twice a week. This one finishes it first. This one ate like a normal person, and I just ate like a normal person. We don't have a problem like these two. Right there.
That's the car that we came through.
Check out the whip though. Grandpa's looking at it though. Oh, swerve. That's not our whip, Drew?
That's not alright.
Yes, it is. Orange julep is over. I got it. Finally, getting in the car though. And big orange.
What earphones? What phone?
It's over. It's over. Orange julep.
We don't Google, we buy the stock, nigga, same old boppers. Leader of the new school, spraying on them lockers. No rain gon' stop us with the swing on yoppers.
Say bye to me. All of y'all. And you. Goodbye, friends. Bye, love you. I'm joking. Homies with my cousins, though. Okay, bye. Say bye to your parents, though.
Over. Slept my cousins. I missed them already. Jeez, it's been like all of 1 minute or more like 1 second. In this elevator right quick. About to hit the street.